In a major move to support its workforce, the Tripura government has officially announced a 5% hike in Dearness Allowance and Dearness Relief for all state government employees and pensioners. Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha announced the decision on the floor of the State Legislative Assembly following a cabinet meeting. The hike is designed to help employees offset the rising cost of the living and inflationary pressures. While this provides significant relief, the gap between state and central government DA rates remain a point of discussion for employee federations. The increase will come into effect from April 1, 2026. This decision is set to benefit approximately 1.84 lakh individuals, including 1,02,563 regular employees and 81,619 pensioners. Various categories of contractual and casual workers. Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha announced the decision on the floor of the State Legislative Assembly following 2026 to 2027 budget session and a cabinet meeting.
রাজ্যের কর্মচারী এবং পেনশনারদের সাথে 5% ডিআর ঘোষণা করছি। আগামী অর্থ বছরের 1 এপ্রিল 2026 থেকে কার্যকর হবে এবং এতে উপকৃত হবেন মোট 1,02,563 রেগুলার কর্মচারী এবং 81,019 পেনশনার এবং ফ্যামিলি পেনশন। তাছাড়া অনিয়মিত কর্মচারী যারা আছেন কর্মীগণ এতে উপকৃত হবেন। এতে মোট ব্যয় হবে বার্ষিক প্রায় 500 crore।
Despite current fiscal pressures, the state exchequer will bear an additional annual burden of roughly 500 crore to fund this increase. The revised allowance will reflect in the salaries and pensioners starting from the first month of the new financial year. Reporter Pranav from Chini, Khorang.